Imagine this. You and your friends play a football match in the street. At the end, there's an argument. Who really scored the winning goal? Everybody is shouting, nobody agrees. Now imagine if every time a goal was scored, it was written in a book that everyone could see and no one could erase. No more arguments. The truth is there for all to confirm. That, my friends, is how blockchain works. Today, we'll break down blockchain in the simplest way possible, using stories, African examples, and everyday life. By the end, you'll see why blockchain is so powerful, why it's changing the world, and how Africa and Acoin are part of that story. So, what exactly is blockchain? Think of it as a digital record book, but instead of being kept by one person, like a bank, it is shared across thousands, even millions of people. Every time a transaction happens, like sending money, signing a contract, or even voting, it's written down as a block. Once a block is full, it's locked, sealed, and linked to the one before it. That's why we call it a blockchain. It's permanent, it's transparent, and it's very hard to cheat. In Africa, we know the pain of broken systems, corruption, inflation, long bank queues, high fees. But with blockchain, transactions don't rely on one bank or one government. Instead, it's a community system. Everyone can verify, no single person can manipulate it. It's like having a community elder keeping records, not for himself, but for everyone, and nobody can bribe him to change it. Picture a village market. Every trader sells something: yams, fish, cloth. In the past, arguments could break out. "I already paid you." "No, you didn't." Now imagine there's a big blackboard in the center of the market. Each time money changes hands, the deal is written down publicly. Everyone can see it. Everyone agrees it happened. That's blockchain, only digital, global, and permanent. Let's break it down into 3 key features. Transparency. Everyone sees the record. No hidden deals. Security. Once a block is locked, it cannot be changed. It's like cement. It hardens forever. Decentralization. No single person controls it. Not banks, not politicians. It's owned by the people who use it. These 3 make blockchain one of the most trustworthy systems ever invented. Most people think blockchain is only about Bitcoin or crypto. But it's so much more. Farmers can use blockchain to track crops from the farm to the market, proving they're organic. Musicians can use it to protect their songs, so nobody steals their royalties. Governments can use it for fair elections. No rigging, no ballot stuffing. Blockchain isn't just money, it's trust in digital form. Here's the exciting part. Africa needs blockchain more than most places. Why? Banking gap. Millions of Africans don't have bank accounts. Cross-border trade. Sending money between African countries is costly. Corruption. People want systems they can trust. Blockchain can solve these issues. That's why Africans are some of the fastest adopters of crypto and blockchain technology in the world. In fact, Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa are among the top 10 countries in the world for crypto adoption. So how does crypto fit in? Crypto, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Acoin, is digital money built on blockchain. Instead of banks recording your balance, the blockchain records it. Everyone sees it. No one can fake it. When you send Acoin to a friend in another country, the blockchain records it instantly, securely, and without needing a middleman. That's the magic. Remember how mobile money, like M-Pesa, transformed Kenya? Suddenly, people could send money with just a phone. Blockchain is like mobile money 2.0, but on a global scale. Not limited to one telecom, not limited to one country, everyone connected. This is why blockchain is the foundation for Africa's financial future. This is where Acoin comes in. Acoin isn't just another crypto. It's Africa's uses blockchain to make payments easy, affordable, and accessible for all. Voice in the blockchain world. Inspired by the cowries that once served as Africa's currency, Acoin with Acoin. Sending money to family in Ghana, paying for goods in Nigeria, or trading across Africa becomes seamless. It's heritage meeting the future. Some people fear blockchain. They say, it's too complicated, or it's just scams. But here's the truth. Blockchain itself is not a scam. It's a technology. Scammers exist everywhere, but blockchain can actually reduce fraud. You don't need to understand every technical detail, just like you don't need to know how the internet works to send an email. Blockchain is here to empower, not confuse. In the next 10 years, blockchain could change everything. Farmers selling directly to buyers abroad. Students paying tuition with Acoin. Communities crowdfunding development projects transparently. Diaspora remittances flowing instantly and cheaply. Africa is young, innovative, and ready. Blockchain will be one of our greatest tools for growth. Visit www.ajecoin.io for more info.